In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monarch Money step by step. So whether you're looking to organize your finances or manage your budget effectively, this guide will be perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the Monarch Money website. This is the hub where everything happens, from account creation to financial management. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will come in handy once you start navigating through the platform. Next, to kick off your journey with Monarch Money, click on the Sign Up button. You also have the option to continue with Google, which can be a convenient way to sign in if you prefer not to create yet another password to remember. Once you've clicked your preferred option, you'll be taken to the next screen. Just go ahead and click Continue to progress. Now, it's time to enter your full name. You'll want to ensure this is accurate, as it may be used in communication or reports generated by the software. There's an interesting feature here. You can choose to indicate if you're managing your finances with a partner. This is really useful for households that share financial responsibilities. If this applies to you, simply select it on the screen. Once that's done, you'll click Continue and you'll be brought to a series of prompts. Just go ahead and click Continue through these prompts. It's important to simply follow along as they guide you through setting up your profile and preferences. Clicking Continue will ensure that each step is confirmed and appropriately set. Now, it's time to add some important financial information. Check the boxes that apply to your financial situation to customize your experience on the platform. Next, you will add your card number when prompted. This step is crucial for authorizing payments and for setting up a free 7-day trial. Enter your details confidently and you'll be set up for exploring the premium features of Monarch Money. Once you've added your card number, you'll see the option to start your free 7-day trial. Go ahead and click on that. After starting your trial, if you'd like to delay connecting any additional accounts for now, you can click on Skip for now. However, to fully experience Monarch Money's capabilities, you'll want to connect your bank and credit card accounts. This step is vital for real-time financial data tracking and analysis. Finally, if you prefer not to connect certain accounts or have accounts that require manual input, know that you can always add manual accounts as well. This option lets you add details for those accounts that don't integrate automatically with Monarch Money or that you prefer to manage separately. That wraps up our step-by-step setup for Monarch Money. With these steps completed, you're now ready to begin your financial management journey using this powerful tool. Be sure to explore all the available features to get the most out of your experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.